So now we're going to make this really cute headpiece that's like a ponytail holder. So I'm going to take my silver Bodabra bow wire. I've folded it in half. I'm going to lay it into my Bodabra. I'm just going to tuck the ends underneath. I'm not connecting them to anything, and just so they stay out of my way. Now I'm going to take my 5-inch wide tool, and on the materials list, I cut it, I told you the full length, but I'm just using 2 different pieces. So I'm just going to scrunch this. Then I have this really pretty, it's a wired sheer purple, and we're just gonna fold this back and forth, make really pretty little loops here. I'm folding, I'm gonna twist and put this down into the Bodabra. Because this is a sheer and the same, and the end piece, I'm not gonna do anything, I'm just gonna stick this down. Because it's a sheer ribbon, you don't necessarily have to twist it, but I like to twist. Now I'm gonna take this piece, I'm just gonna cut the end so it's straight, and I'm gonna make a little scrunchy bow right here in the middle. And I'm just gonna fold this under here and scrunch everything down in there. And take my wand and give everything an extra scrunch. Now I do see a little bit piece of wire sticking out here. Then I have these really pretty garland that I've just twisted together, and I'm gonna just lay that in here. And then I'm gonna take my 3 roses, just lay those down in here, and I'll shape them once I get it out. So take my wire and pull the wire through and take it out. Gonna separate the ends and bring it around to the back. And I'm gonna just take my ponytail holder, put that through here. And now we're gonna shape everything. And you have this really, really pretty hairpiece. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below. And also like us at Bodabra on Facebook.